What's up, guys? So today we took a couple of trades, mostly break even, so I'm not even going to show those. But this one I did want to show just because it made me realize that sometimes some people say like you can just look for big hourly, daily, weekly sweeps and then just take a short or a long, uh, basically against the trend. So I wanted to pop in and be like, if you wanted to, you know, reset your psych and just slowly learn with paper trading, or if you're new and you're just now seeing this. Honestly, I don't know what I'm saying. To anybody that's like has watched my other videos and they trade ICT and order flow and that kind of stuff, don't listen to this. But anyone that like wants a simple little strategy to use, just look at like hourly candles and ones with huge wicks like this, and it sweeps it. You would take longs, and obviously you see that it did play out up here, sweep all this liquidity. It's literally just liquidity sweeps on high time frame, and on low time frame they should run just a little bit to get you in and out of a trade real quick. So you're not holding this all day because it still could come back down. And I do want to show the trade that I did take today that was unfortunate that I got stopped out. So here, there was good order flow for a reversal. We had an SMT with ES off that one level that I just showed. I believe it pops up on the 15-minute. Yeah, off this level right here, we had an SMT, and my stop was for the break of that SMT. So I didn't lose much. I did get stopped out. Wait, no, I got break even because it did run up. Yeah, I got break even on that because we entered, I believe, like right here. And then it ran up and then just came back down to stop me out and then started to run for the rest of the day. And then Chop City after that. So there was a couple more opportunities with SMT, different, what do I want to say, order flow levels and that kind of stuff that you could have taken. But I pretty much just stayed out for the rest of the day because I'm already up really good on one of my gamble accounts is what I'm going to call it. So I have one, just a reminder if you have been following, I have one for New York that I'm going to be hella disciplined on, which is like, I have it right here. That's why I keep looking down. $250 per trade, 2 trades per day. So the max I lose is $500. And for example, this trade right here, if it would have went to full TP, which I did cut early, that would have been $1,000 and it would have made up for 2 full losses, 4 losses in a row, that kind of thing. So if that makes any sense, I hope it makes sense. But yeah, so we're done for the day. This made me pretty good amount because I was risking 3 contracts on it on the gamble account. And the gamble account is basically just my account that I'm trying to pass as fast as possible. So fortunately, but unfortunately, I'm up $1,700 on the day on that, which I only meant to really make $1,500, which is kind of tough because if I want to, be done with this account, I have to make $1,500 either during Asia or during tomorrow's New York session. So I'll probably trade Asia tonight with that account. I don't know about the other Asia account. I'm up $800 on that. So we're up on all accounts, which is great to see. But I'm just going to try and stay focused and keep it going so that I can, 1, get funded, 2, build my discipline and not overtrade. But I hope you guys enjoyed. In the meantime, while I'm pulling up the Bible app so I can do the verse of the day. If you've been watching, you should know this. Join SPS. It's in the description. That's where I'm at every single morning, live trading with Will and Steez, or Will and Nick. And they're just really good resources to have. Great people, and everybody in there is just like, I say, we're all like friends. It's great. If you have any questions for me personally, join my Discord. It's in the description. You'll see 2 different WAP links, one for Liam's server, one for SPS. So we got Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek his will in all you do, and he will show you which path to take. That is the greatest representation of trust the process. Just trust it. Be patient. Don't rush anything. Overtrading leads to what? It leads to losing accounts, blowing your own money, when the whole point of getting a prop firm is not to blow your own money and risk more to make more. They give it to you. They give you the opportunity to do this, and you try to do your own process of overtrading when, God's right here. He's looking over your shoulder. He's like, enter longs, enter shorts. We trained for this. We've done this. All the discipline that we put you through of back testing, of seeing the same setups over and over and over that are A+. Now is when you enter. But then you start to overtrade. The whole point of it, I try to relate it all to trading because you're probably watching me for trading. And if I can connect with you on a trading aspect, like put it in trading terms, basically, I will. But in all aspects of life, just Jesus take the wheel kind of thing, that song. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Good luck if you're trading for the rest of the day, tomorrow, rest of the week. I hope you guys are doing well on your accounts and you're up. God bless all of you, and see you tomorrow.